Good afternoon. This is the 1 o'clock update of our winter storm that is getting ready to leave. As of 1 p.m., we're seeing winds starting to back to the northwest as our new coastal low starts to take over. Now, the process of this coastal low developing is what pretty much limited a lot of the snowfall in southeastern Pennsylvania, really south central Pennsylvania, where, let's face it, that was a pretty significant bust. It happens sometimes with Miller B storms. When you get that redevelopment taking place, someone's going to miss out. The question is who? In this case, it looks like much of central and southern New Jersey did pretty well with the verification of the snowfall. You have winds again coming in now from the north and northwest. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 20s throughout the region, and snowfall again continues to be light to moderate over much of central and southern New Jersey, with some heavier bursts here and there showing up. Same thing down towards Delaware, which has done probably one of the best areas for heavy snowfall is Delaware and Maryland, where you had plenty of strong lifting, and as a result, a lot of heavy snowfall being reported. And we're starting to get light snow reported up in Long Island. Again, pretty much at the northern extent of this. A lot of this is just going to be flurries. You might get a dusting here and there, but that is about it. Looking at about 2 inches of snow has fallen in central New Jersey, right around Freehold. Part of that is that moderate band. But as advertised, as we get closer to 2 o'clock hour, the precipitation shield is going to start to collapse. Why? This part is now part of the new coastal low, which is down here. As this low pressure system intensifies and continues to kick out, it's going to take all the precipitation with it, along with all the lifting. This feature, which is basically the remnants of the old primary low and the upper level shortwave, is going to continue to march to the east and reach the Delmarva Peninsula and southern New Jersey by this evening, with another 1 to 2 inches of snow on top of what you already got. So if you have 8 inches now, most likely you'll be pushing somewhere around 10 inches by the time this storm is all over at 10 o'clock tonight in those locations. Everyone else, expect for these bands of snow to start to collapse pretty quickly as your strongest lifting is rapidly pushing off the coast. You can see that also very nicely here with the 850 millibar low getting ready to make that jump, and also our surface low taking shape as well. Let's take a look at some of the frontogenesis associated with this setup. And you can see, again, a lot of your stronger lifting now starting to push away, and a lack of lifting starting to show up over northern New Jersey. So you're going to see a rapid collapse of this precipitation shield as a result. And then here's our final wave marching its way through. So based on the HRR guidance, pretty much no change there. Your heaviest snowfall down in southern New Jersey. By 2 p.m., you're pretty much going to be clearing out. So if you want to go shovel the snow, whatever you might have, you'll be able to do so. And then we got that final batch that comes through this evening with another round of light to moderate snow in southern New Jersey, Delaware, and Maryland. That is your update at 1 p.m. We'll have one more at 2 p.m., and then we'll be closing it out. In the meantime, stay safe out there.